In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify sender signatures in Postmark. Before we jump in, here's what verifying a sender signature actually means. A sender signature is simply the email address you want to use in the From field when you send messages through Postmark. Postmark needs you to prove that you own or control that address. This protects your reputation, stops spoofing, and helps ensure your messages get delivered reliably. Start by signing in to your Postmark account and opening the Sender Signatures section from the left-hand menu. This is your home base for managing every address you plan to send from. If you're not sure where to put something in Postmark, remember that sender signatures are for individual email addresses, while domains are for approving an entire domain. Today, we're focusing on a single address. Next, click Add Domain or Signature, then choose Sender Signature. Enter the exact email address you'll use as your From address. If you want, add a name or a short note so your team knows what this address is for, like billing notifications or customer support. Make sure you pick a mailbox you can actually access, not just a shared alias that no one monitors. As soon as you save, Postmark automatically sends a verification email to that address. Head to that inbox and look for a message from Postmark with a subject line similar to Confirm Sender Signature. If you don't see it within a couple of minutes, check your spam or promotions folder and confirm that your mail server isn't filtering links. It's also worth double-checking that you spelled the address correctly during setup. Open the verification email and click the confirmation link inside. That link proves you control the mailbox. If the link has expired or you accidentally deleted the message, you can return to Postmark and resend the verification. No need to start over from scratch. Once you've clicked the link, switch back to the Sender Signatures page in Postmark. You'll see the status update to Verified or Confirmed. That's your green light. From this point on, you can choose that email address as the From address in your templates, servers, or message streams in Postmark. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If someone else owns the mailbox, ask them to click the link promptly. Keep your From address consistent with your brand so recipients recognize you. And if you ever need to add another address, just repeat these same steps. That's all it takes to verify a sender signature in Postmark and start sending with confidence.